Principle of cause and effect. Effects and conditions are driven and manifested by causes. Every cause has its effect, and every effect has its cause. Every single thing that happens occurs according to law. Chance is a term used for a law not recognized. There are many planes of causation, but nothing escapes the law. So there is free will. Free will exists. However, there is not free will to ignore natural law without consequence. Free will operates within boundary conditions, and these boundary conditions are the principles of natural law. So you can exceed the boundaries, you can break natural law, however, not without negative consequence. Consequences are generated by our free will decision making within the boundaries of natural law. So when we set a cause into motion, the universe intelligently rearranges to bring to us the effect generated by the cause that we ourselves set into motion. It may not happen right away. There may be a time lag between when the cause was set into motion and when the effect takes place. And if the effect is not immediate, sometimes the connection is missed between the effect and the cause that generated the effect to begin with. There's also something called karmic consequence at play. So we, as a unified human species, will experience on a daily basis the consequences of the behaviors made on a daily basis by the human species that we do not attempt to correct, change, rectify, or stop. This here demonstrates karma being occurred through inaction when action is actually needed. The plane of effects is the physical world. This is where realities have formed due to their underlying causes. The plane of effects constitutes that which has already occurred. No power to effect change lies here in the physical world on this plane of effects because that which has already occurred cannot unoccur. The plane of causality is the mental world. This is where causes are set into motion prior to manifesting as formed realities. So the plane of causality constitutes the causal factors that precede and underlie all things and events. All power to effect change lies here. So on the plane of effects, which is the physical plane, we can analyze, we can experience, we can understand the manifested realities. And then we have to move to the plane of causality, which is the mental plane, to actually address change. The way we think, the way we feel, the way we behave, these all underlie and literally create the physical world, the plane of effects.